course. Few of the courses like financial accounting, financial management, organizational structure and design, OSD, corrective action and cooperation, CSR, marketing analytics, strategic management, microfinance. These are the few courses which really, give me a different kind of critical thinking, and which I'm using here in JKMPCL in its development. And IRMA is from IRMA, I got a placement in GCMMF. I got that platform from where I can use my skills. And fortunately, GCMF deputed me in JKMPCL. And here I'm getting that opportunity to take decision my own. And that courses which I learn in IRMA is really helping me a lot. And still I'm in touch with Madhvi ma'am, few of the professors, and they are helping me a lot in taking decisions often. So this is